In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code for YouTube video. So first, I scroll down on YouTube, then select a targeted video. Example purpose, I select this video, then copy this link first, then going on this website. It's like goqr.me. So this link I will attach in my video description. Is totally free. Don't need paid for this one. So select a website. You can see this is a website, calling and a lots of option and business card, lots of options. So I select this website link, then paste your targeted video link, then click on enter. Keep in mind, if you have a mobile phone only, you are still able to use this website. Then click on download, then select your setting you like, then again select your photo type PNG JPG. So I like JPG. Wow, it's already downloaded to my computer and you can see this one. So you can see how I create a QR code for a targeted YouTube videos. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.